Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Marlo Lemons, and I'm going to be your professor for the Stat 1 course here at Long Beach City College. I just wanted to create this video to talk about how you can prepare for the first week of class, which is coming up, and just tell you a little bit more about myself. I am from Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. I've only been in California for 6 years. I really enjoy traveling and I love mahjong. If you don't know what that is, it's a tile game. I'll tell you that one day. And I just really like teaching. So I'm an award-winning professor. I used to teach for 8 years at Virginia Tech, and then I taught at George Washington University and Georgetown University before I made the decision to go into teaching at the community college level. I'm currently the dean of mathematical sciences at El Camino College, and so teaching at Long Beach is a side job that I really enjoy doing. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. I also teach at Compton College. I won their outstanding teaching award. So you're going to be taught by an award-winning professor. But enough about me. But the purpose of this video, really quick, is to introduce our Canvas course page. We'll talk about it on the first day of class, but I want to show you a couple of features. But most importantly, I want to remind you to be prepared for the first day of class, because the first day of class is we're going to go right into it. We're going to cover the syllabus. I'm going to quickly show you the Canvas site, but then we're going to get straight into the lecture notes and doing the homework as well. So I'm going to share a screen for just a moment to see the things that you can do to prepare for our class. So as you can see, this is our Canvas page. I've officially released it. I'm going to click on modules for just a second, because modules is where we're going to put the lecture notes, and you can find the official course syllabus in the statistical table. Now, let me say this. The lecture notes, as I upload them, don't worry about printing the lecture notes, okay? Because I'm going to print them and I'm going to bring copies to the class every time we have our lecture. So don't worry about printing the lecture notes. You'll get those from me. But what you're going to need is your notebook. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the main page of our site. Okay. Oh, also, look, this is my actual cell phone number. Okay. So I want you to put my cell phone number in your cell phone. Whenever there's an issue that comes up, feel free to contact me. Okay. Send me a text. If I don't respond to your text, then give me a call. And if I don't pick up when you call, then that means I must be really busy. So just click on the inbox and you can send me a message through the inbox. Okay. So please put my telephone number in your phone right now. This is a great time to do it. As I told you, text me first. If that fails, call me. If that fails, then email me if you have an immediate question. All right, so for the first day of class, please download and read the syllabus. Okay. Again, you don't need to print the syllabus. I'll bring copies to the class, but I need for you to download, read the syllabus prior to coming to class. That'll help us move a little bit quickly. And then write any questions down that you have after reading the syllabus. This is very important. You need a 3-ring notebook, okay? Not one of those little spirally, small, skinny notebooks. I'm talking about a 3-ring notebook, okay? Like, for example, let me show you a small example, but it's not the perfect example. I think I brought an example with me. Let me see. Yes, I did. So, see, this is a 3-ring notebook. Let me move that to the side. This is a 3-ring notebook. However, it's not the right size, okay? As you can see here, it says you want to get a 3-ring notebook that is at least 3 inches thick. So if you open it up, you see that there are 3 rings on the inside like this. 1, 2, 3. However, this is not thick enough, okay? This is like a 2-inch notebook. You're going to need at least a 3-inch notebook. Now, optimally, I would love for you to have a 4-inch thick notebook, okay? If you need one, I have some extras that I can bring. Just let me know if you need a 3-ring notebook. Otherwise, you can go to like a supply store like Staples or something to purchase one, or you can go to Walmart and get your 3-ring notebook. So 3-ring notebook, but you need something that's double the thickness. Trust me. You're going to need it, okay? Don't get one that's 2 inch or 1 inch. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be very inefficient for you, okay? Get at least 4 inch thick. Next, get the TI-84 calculator, okay? You can get the TI-84, TI-84 Plus, TI-84 Silver Edition, all of those versions, TI-84 Color, as long as it's TI-84, it's good. Not the TI-83 calculator, okay? TI-84. If you need one, let me know. I think I have some loaner calculators in my office I can bring with me when I come to the campus. Finally, get you the McGraw-Hill ALEKS license, okay? The way that you will, because the ALEKS license is where you're going to do the homework, and then up here where it says ALEKS, you'll click there to be able to access the homework. You can purchase the license from the bookstore. However, I recommend that you go to McGraw-Hill website. And in fact, I think what I'll do is I'll add a link below. A little bit later, I'll add a link below this number 4, how you can access it from the McGraw-Hill website. I think it's much cheaper if you purchase it from there than if you purchase it from the local bookstore, okay? So get these things done. Oh, and then also bring your laptop to class. If you have a laptop, bring it to class, because what I will do is I will teach the material. Then after we teach the material, if there's time left, we're going to go straight into homework. We're just going to knock out the homework so that you don't have to do it outside of class. But if you want to do it outside of class, that's all you. Okay. So that's enough for me. So please get those items. Some of you asked, how can you maximize your potential in this class? So I gave a couple of suggestions. Learn as you complete. Okay. So don't just do the problems, get it right, and move on. Then there's no learning, right? That's like taking a book and you just reading the words in the book, but you're not comprehending. So you do the problem and then you step back and you say, what was the moral I was supposed to get from doing that problem? Okay. So don't just do the problems just to get it right. Get it right and now learn from it so that the next time you see a problem similar to that, you know what to do, okay? But if you're just doing problems, oh, I got the right answer, now I'm ready to move on. You're not going to have there's no learning taking place. And once you get to the exam, you're not going to be able to retain that material because you're not comprehending what you are doing as you're doing the homework. Okay, it's important for you to get the grade and network. Okay, yes, everyone wants an A in this class. Okay, who doesn't want a name? But while you're trying to get the grade, also try to network. Get to know me, get to know your students, okay? The other students in class, because let's say outside of this course, you may need a letter of recommendation, or you're trying to get into a particular job or a particular employer. You don't know that the person next to you has connections with that particular organization or employer. You don't know that maybe me, the professor, might know somebody that's at a particular university that you want to attend, you want to transfer to, or if there's a particular employer that you're interested in getting a job with. So not only you want to get the grade, you also want to get to know as many people as possible. Because guess what? If you need a reference or if you need a letter of recommendation, the last group of people that you've been around, in college are your professors and the students that are in the class, right? You can't use your mailman. You can't use your 9th grade teacher. So get to know as many people as possible, okay? A homework partner, okay, so that you can prepare for exams. Okay, get to know people in the class, develop homework partnerships. Let's say if you miss class one day, you could be able to go to your homework partner and say, hey, what did I miss? Or can I see your notes so I can catch up? And then finally, and this is important to me, save the excuses, okay? I'm not a fan of excuses, all right? So I have a very low tolerance for excuses. So if you're a person that likes to use excuses as a means of trying not to complete your work or wait until the last second to give an excuse to try to be able to get an incomplete to get by, I'm going to tell you right now, the more that I hear excuses, the more that I lose the interest of wanting to be able to help you. Okay. Now I understand that excuses, some events come up, unfortunate events come up, or something, emergencies come up, and I can understand it. But if you're a fan of always giving excuse after excuse after excuse, you're going to lose my attention. You're going to lose my interest to be able to help you. Okay. So If you're a person that likes to give excuses to get by in a class, this is probably not the course for you. Okay. So I am very lenient and I'm very flexible. But after a while, when I continue to hear you come back to me and say, oh, this came up, and then come back to me again, oh, something else came up. Then I start to believe more likely that you don't have really legitimate excuses than to have ones. Okay. So take advantage of these ways to be able to maximize your potential in this course. And I promise you that once you finish this course, not only will you learn the material, but you could be able to take some non-statistics concepts and develop them to help you matriculate into your next phase of your career or your education. All right, that's enough for me. Again, I'll add that link to the McGraw-Hill website if you want to purchase your license from there. Look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. Let's come get prepared. Let's get pumped. And I want to leave you with this important statement. I am your number one cheerleader in this class. Okay. I want to see you pass. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you master the concepts. I'm your number one cheerleader. Don't ever forget that. No matter what happens, what is said in the class, I am your number one cheerleader. Okay. Don't lose that from your mindset, your growth mindset, as you are about to start, a semester of Statistics 1. Okay. You will get through this with good hard work, and you come to class often. I promise you, you'll see the benefits of participating in class. You'll see the benefits of the labor that you put towards this course. Thank you so much. I'll see you on Tuesday. Again, I'm Dr. Lemons. I will be your professor for this course. Let's come prepare and let's come to enjoy elementary statistics. See you soon.